Hi guys, today I'm doing a bonfire with marshmallows. So as you can see, there's a big bonfire that was like so high and so intense. And now it's all the way to there. And we also, Julian, made that mini one.
Don't jump!
Julianne, scram,
So,
come on.
You don't push someone into a fire.
Come on.
shut up. Okay, so
So what have we got there?
we got 2 marshmallows and stick.
And a marshmallow stick. Where'd you get the marshmallow stick from?
Someone found it.
From a from a gum tree.
guess. Okay.
So what are you doing?
So I like to do this and put it in the fire and stop Julian move.
What?
Come on.
My turn.
Julianne, you've done yours. Come on.
What?
Now it's Gaby's turn.
Where's mine gone?
You fell in, obviously. See?
Yeah.
So you want yours to be on fire, like this.
Yeah, good.
Okay, that's all burnt.
It's all done under controlled
I
conditions.
messed up.
Nice and safe.
Yep.
So do you blow on it? What do you do? And what's the aim?
You want it to be warm and really
Bam.
soft, but this is not soft, so I have to keep doing it.
Okay.
I like to do this. I like to take
It's smoky.
I like to do this. So I can rest it and do this.
Okay.
And you can wait for a while.
Mhm.
And you can even move it up and down.
Yes. So you can do it with the open flame if you want them burnt, or you can do it on the coals if you want it.
Okay.
Nice.
No, it's mine. Okay, then you can keep doing it. Oh, but the fire's getting low.
That's fine, Dad.
No.
Hey, big brother.
Big boy.
Okay, well, we lost one there. That's all right. Blow the second one.
Man down. I made a glow stick.
Man down.
Glow stick,
Oh,
look.
you did. Oh, my
Man
goodness.
down.
All right, a man down.
Yay.
Marshmallow man down.
Oh, that's cool.
All right, so you're taking the skin off, and now you're going to eat the soft bit.
That's good.
So tell us how much out of 10?
I rated it at 8
Yes.
because first it had all black stuff around it.
Mm-hmm.
And it had like all, and it was all crunchy in the middle and it wasn't that soft.
Okay,
So,
good job.
hope you enjoy. Bye. Hope you subscribe.